Hi guys, so in today's video I'm actually gonna do something similar as last week, and I actually did a demo slash review of the Hackstar shotgun microphone where I show you the main feature and the main option that microphone has. So if you haven't seen that video, I'm actually gonna put it on the info card, so if you're actually interested you can check that video out. But today I'm actually gonna talk about the BOYA Lavalier microphone. So this microphone is actually a wired microphone, and I'm gonna show you what it comes with, how it actually sounds with my camera, with my smartphone, and how it sounds with my laptop, because I know a lot of you people do webcam videos. So if you actually want to improve the sound quality of your videos, well then keep on watching. So here it is. So I'm actually gonna give you a few heads up. This microphone is very long and it can easily get tangled, but that's a good thing about being long. You can actually record far away from your camera. This one only has two options, and one is for DSLR camera, so you can put it up if you're using that type of camera, or if you're just using a smartphone or the laptop, you just leave it on the off option. This BOYA Lavalier microphone is actually powered by battery, so whenever you feel that you need to change the power or the battery, or if you feel the sound is not how it used to, you just come here, untwist it, and change the battery. So the good thing about this microphone is that it actually comes with two microphone in one. So if you're actually doing videos with like a duo, or if you actually want to interview a person, this is actually a perfect option for you. Also, when you're using this type of microphone, I feel that you need to try to make it as untangled as possible, because I feel like once it's tangled, it creates this static noise, very uncomfortable to hear in the background. So I suggest it's always straight as possible whenever you're using it. Also, I almost forgot to tell you guys, but this type of video is the volume is gonna arrange, so heads up for that. Be careful with your ears. So yeah, have that in mind. So this is how my camera sounds without the microphone. So this is how my camera sounds with microphone A. So this is how my camera sounds with microphone B. So I need to give you some heads ups. It doesn't have a bass filter, it just only includes this windscreen foam. They need to avoid the sound from the wind and stuff like that, but it doesn't filter the ambient noise. So have in mind, like right now my neighbor is playing radio on the background, so be aware that sometimes this type of microphone can actually pick up that sound, and your video may be copyrighted just because your neighbor was playing in the background some type of songs. Have that in mind, because sometimes I know you guys put a lot of effort in your video, so it will be kind of sad that that type of background noise or music is gonna be pick up by the microphone. Also, when you're using this type of microphone, you need to make sure to stay still and not move around like crazy, because this type of microphone is actually gonna pick it up, the sound, and try not to move or cause friction where you're closing, because the microphone is also gonna pick it up, such as if you do this, or if you're scratching yourself, or if you're touching like a zipper, that's gonna be picked up by this type of microphone. Also, I'm gonna put it nearby my mouth so you can actually hear a difference. If you're interested, in all those people who are interested in ASMR or doing voiceover, you can actually put it a little bit more nearby your mouth, and that way your volume will be higher. So here it is. I don't know if you guys hear a difference. I definitely hear a difference every time I put it nearby my mouth like this. However, if you have a breathy, I can't even speak. If you breathe a lot while you talk like me, have in mind this type of microphone is gonna pick it up. So now I'm gonna do the test with my laptop so that way you can actually know how it sounds. But have in mind, this audio that you're about to hear does not belong to my camera. It actually belongs to my laptop. This is how my laptop sounds without the microphone. So this is how my laptop sounds with microphone A. So this is how my laptop sounds with microphone B. So the reason why I'm actually labeling these two microphones as microphone A and B is because I want you guys to know if there's actually a difference between these two microphones or if they actually sound the same, because both of them comes from the same source. And if you're actually interested in more content like this, you can subscribe to my channel and you can leave a comment and like if you found this video helpful. And like I said before, if you haven't seen my last video, you can go actually check that one out.